Here's how to turn on Amazon login alerts so you get notified instantly if someone signs into your account. Open your browser and go to Amazon.com. Sign in using your Amazon account email and password. Once you're logged in, hover over Account and Lists at the top right and click Account. This takes you to your Amazon account dashboard. On the account page, click Login and Security. This is where you manage all your security and privacy settings. Scroll down to find Advanced Security Settings, then click Edit or Manage. Here you'll see all your login notifications and security tools. Look for login alerts or account activity notifications. Turn on alerts for new device sign-ins, suspicious login attempts, password changes, account recovery attempts. Amazon will now notify you by email or SMS whenever someone tries to access your account. To make sure you always receive alerts, add a verified phone number, a backup email address. This ensures you never miss a security warning. For the best protection, turn on two-step verification. Even if someone knows your password, they won't be able to log in without your code. And that's it. Your Amazon login alerts are now active, keeping your account safe from suspicious activity.